Hey guys, Tim Burkhart with Green Industries out here. Today we're going to show you the Grandstand Multiforce with the 5-foot Boss Plow. Today we're back here at our store, so I'm going to run through the unit, show you how it operates, all its features, everything about the unit, as well as some of the options that you can get with these Multiforces. For snow season, we went ahead and took the deck off of this unit. These come standard with a deck. You can get 52 or 60. So this particular model is a 60-inch deck. They come standard with the low flow hydraulics right here on the side now. That is what is needed to actually run the Multiforce. The way this unit works, you have a controller here. There's two toggle switches, one for up and down for the plow, and then one for left and right. All the way down, it does provide downforce, so we'll lift up the front caster wheels. Operation of the unit, standard grandstand at this point. Forward, backwards controls here, tough torque transaxles, 26.5 horsepower, fuel injected Kohler engine. To get it started up, show you the operation of everything. It's all the way in its up position. You get about 18 inches of ground clearance in its up position. This is the basic setup for this unit with the plow. Additionally, you can put light flasher kits, snow tires, weight kit, the whole nine. And then the beauty of the Multiforce is you have so many other attachments that you can use the mower itself for. You can get a mulch bucket, a leaf blower, a snow blower, a snow sweeper. There's so many options here. I'm missing a bunch of them, but there's a lot of different options that you can use for the Multiforce. It is a year-round product. We also have a great video on how to put the plow on, how to take the plow off and put the deck on, and just show you guys how easy this truly is and how great of a product this is. So we were out with our customers yesterday going through the site. There was about 7 inches of snow that this thing was going through, and we were really able to see how well this thing did. They were just using standard turf tires, and it was pushing through this stuff like crazy. It is a true time saver for your snow properties. And the best part about it is this plow is $2,500 to add on to the mower that you already have. It just gets through this stuff like nothing. It's a really, really, really awesome product, and we really believe in it. We really love these units. We are Green Industries. We are here in Annapolis, Maryland. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out our other videos. Check out our social media. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call.